Are you thinking of starting a poultry business but only have a small budget? In this video, I will show you how to start a successful poultry farm with just 20 chickens and grow from there. Let's get started. Starting with 20 chickens is a smart move. It reduces your risk, keep costs low, and allow you to learn the business before expanding. You can focus on quality care and build experience from the ground up. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If today is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. So, step 1, what you need to start. So here is what you need to start. A small, well-ventilated chicken coop. That's number 1. The second thing that you need to keep in place when starting is 20-day-old chicks. It might be layers or broilers. It all depends on your goal. If you want to raise hens for eggs, you go for layers. If you want to raise birds for meat, and then you go for broilers. The third thing that you need is feeders and drinkers. You need, if you want to start with just 20 chicken, yes, you need to just get one drinker and a feeder. You may buy 1 or 2 feeders and then just one drinker is enough. Another thing that you need when starting is quality starter feed. You need quality starter feed. And another thing that you need is clean water supply. Of course, water that you'll be able to drink, that is the same water that you can give to your birds, as I used to say always. Another thing that you need to know is basic medication and vitamins. Basic medications and vitamins. And another thing is your time and commitment. You have to be available for them when they need feed, water. You take care of them. You check them. You can build a simple coop. Local materials like wood and zinc. Just a simple coop that will be able to take 20 birds. Just make sure the chickens are protected from cold, heat, and predators. You have to protect them. Step 2, cost breakdown. Here is a simple breakdown of what it might cost. 20 chicks, maybe about 6,000 to 8,000 naira, though the price used to fluctuate. And another thing that you need is feed. First 4 weeks, your budget maybe like 10,000 to 12,000 naira. And the third thing that you need is their vaccines and medication. It may cost you like 2,000 to 3,000 naira. Nigerian naira. And another thing is simple coop and equipment. As I said earlier, one drinker and even with 2 feeders. Yes, and that will cost you about 10 to 15,000 naira. So, with about 40,000 to 50,000, you are good to go in starting your poultry farm. $33. The third step is daily management. Here is how to care for your chickens daily. Feed them twice a day. Clean their water and feeders. Keep the coop clean and dry. Follow a proper vaccination schedule. Observe them closely. Healthy chickens are active and eat well. Step 4. What to expect and how to grow what you are to expect and how to grow your business. Broilers are ready in 6 to 8 weeks, which means if you have started broilers, in the next 6 to 8 weeks, you are on your way to the market. And layers start laying around 18 to 20 weeks. Sell eggs or meat to neighbors and even market. So all you need to do is to reinvest your profit to buy more beds. Start small and think big. Maybe you have started with 20 beds. After the first batch, you are expected to reinvest your profit, which means automatically you are not going to put another 20, which means you are going to increase gradually. So I have so many videos on my channel how to start your own poultry farm from scratch. If you want some organic remedies, I have videos in my channel you can go through, and I can assure you those videos will be of a help to a starter. So if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more poultry farming tips, and drop a comment. What is stopping you from starting with 20 chickens? Drop your own comment. Thanks so much till I come your way with another wonderful and amazing video.